Savor the taste of nature in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where eco-friendly brands such as LJUBLJANSKE MLEKARNE are developing delicious dairy products for the health and pleasure of all generations. As a leader in dairy production, LJUBLJANSKE MLEKARNE has been delivering quality products all over Slovenia and other parts of Europe, simply by carefully listening to the needs of the people. Today, LJUBLJANSKE MLEKARNE works with over 2,000 local farms and annually processes more than 200 million liters of milk, which is traceable from farm to fridge.
As the largest dairy in Slovenia, we are fully aware of the responsibility toward our employees, the environment and the community. We believe people are the foundation of our success, which is why we encourage two-way communication with each and everyone. Tradition, care and reliability are our core values. We respect our environment and devote special attention to increasing energy efficiency, while also constantly striving to reduce water consumption and environmental emissions.
Acknowledged for their hard work, LJUBLJANSKE MLEKARNE has received many prestigious awards and is the first in Slovenia to obtain the EMAS certificate. With green solutions, such as the closure of the internal material loop, LJUBLJANSKE MLEKARNE annually recycles 160 tons of packaging and responsibly reuses products from their own waste. By being green, creative and smart, LJUBLJANSKE MLEKARNE is an example of the prospering Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Discover the gifts of nature in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.